Running a busy business in the service industry can have ups and downs. On one hand, you're happy to see your business growing, but on the other hand, there are so many challenges to keep up with the growth. Your business needs a tool that can keep up with your ever so busy schedules, and Zoho Bookings is perfect for the job. Toss out your post-its and notebooks for your staff because with Zoho Bookings, your intuitive calendar dashboard can hold the schedules of all your staff members in one place. One glance and you will know how your staff's day is going to look, and so will they. You can sync any number of calendars so your calls, classes, meetings, appointments are never overbooked at any time. When you're offering a service, your booking page needs to have a personality, and Zoho Bookings has a repository of beautifully designed themes that you can put to use to give your customers the best booking experience. Your branding and SEO efforts can be more fruitful with a custom domain name that adds credibility and authority to your booking page. You can ask for details from your prospects and collect payments in advance if you're looking for a higher quality appointment. The auto time zone conversion ensures that your international clients are not confused. Zoho Bookings securely integrates with Zoho CRM, Meetings, Calendar, and other popular third-party business tools to build a robust ecosystem to handle your business processes. With these integrations, you can enable a system to feed new customers into your CRM, set up meetings, and sync the appointments across all your calendars. When you have a tool to keep you on top of your schedule, you can spend less time planning and more time innovating. Sign up for Zoho Bookings today.